I'm convinced history will judge social media very harshly. The addiction, the reduction in productivity, the mental health issues. In the past, I tried to fit in and stay active on Instagram, but now it's time for me to step away and focus on what really matters, creating better, more meaningful videos. About a month ago, I deleted all social media apps from my phone, and I'm really happy with this decision. But if deleting sounds too extreme, I've also found a middle ground that's a good compromise. I was early to adopt and early to quit Facebook. And this was long before the more recent deterioration that all platforms have experienced. Instagram was supposed to be different. I joined to showcase my photography. I arrived late to the party, but that still kind of worked when I joined in 2019. But we all know what happened next. Platforms got greedy. They want your attention all the time. It got to the point where I felt used every time I opened them. Algorithms push viral trends over the creators you actually follow at the expense of meaningful interaction and quality content. My priority right now is to improve my videos and grow my YouTube channel. Instagram is not helping with that. I haven't deleted my Instagram account, but I don't log in anymore, and it's so liberating. Even though I was only using it for a few minutes per day, getting rid of it completely frees up mental space. I see social media as a public toilet. You go in, drop off what you need to, and get out. And I found a way to keep posting and messaging without the app. Not being able to get messages was what kept me from deleting the app, which I've wanted to do for years. So what's the magic app? It's called Meta Business Suite. It allows you to keep publishing, scheduling posts, reels, and stories for Instagram and Facebook. There are downsides. For instance, you can add links to Instagram stories or tag people in them. But I can live with those. The productivity and mental health gains are worth it. All you need is a free business account to use the app and stay true to being a creator, not a consumer. I'll keep posting stories to promote my videos. It takes me just a few minutes and lets my follower know that I'm still active and creating on YouTube. But I've stopped making short-form content. I did it a few times, repurposing my long-form videos for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. In my view, it's not worth it. It's a lot of work, and targeting an audience with the attention span of a goldfish is not my priority at the moment. Don't get me wrong, in an ideal world I would be creating content for all platforms and even giving updates on what I had for breakfast. But the fact is that I struggle to put out even a couple of YouTube videos per month. So I need to focus my efforts. The biggest benefit of deleting social media apps has been stopping myself from consuming content. It's a superpower to be able to turn off the noise of the world and focus on the most important thing at hand. That script, that piece of content that could bring you to the next level. But maybe you're not ready to take this step, or you don't feel the need to delete the apps. There are a few tricks that helped me moderate my social media use in the past. Before deleting Instagram, I was very disciplined. I logged in once per day, gave myself a few minutes to catch up, and then used the log out from all accounts feature. It was important to prevent Instagram from saving login info, adding friction so I wouldn't just scroll without a purpose when I had an idle moment. What I don't understand is how we allowed a few corporations to have so much control over our online interactions. We have the Wikipedia model. We could go for collaborative, non-profit alternatives. Yet we let a few multinationals squeeze every last drop of our attention for financial gain. Okay, let me take a deep breath. This channel is supposed to be lighthearted. There is one platform that, without being perfect, I still enjoy for both education and entertainment. That is, of course, YouTube. And if you ever thought about starting your own channel, this video is for you. I cover all the tips and shortcuts I wish I'd known before starting.